First, insert the carbon tube into the wing and insert it to the end. Next, apply foam glue to the contact surface of both wings. Then insert the carbon tube into the other wing. Close the left and right wings. To make the contact surfaces on both sides stick tightly. Now the wing is installed. Untie the line. Now use Y line. Connect the aileron lines of the left and right wings. And connect the left and right wing lines with Y line. After connecting, fix the wires. Open the cockpit cover. Put the line in the cockpit from the middle. Align and press it into the slot. There are 4 screw holes on the wing. Fix them with screws respectively. Place the air intake decoration in the corresponding slot and fix it with screws. First, loosen the fixed machine screw. Then insert the tail wheel wire into it. Then tighten the machine screw and fix the wire. Let's fix the horizontal and vertical stabilizers first. After fixing, align it with the slot of the fuselage. Install the combination key of the horizontal and vertical tails. After installation, turn it over. Then fix it with screws. First, observe the length of the horizontal rudder rod. If the pull rod is too long, cut it shorter. Continue to observe until the appropriate length. Insert the steel wire into the second hole of the servo arm pivot. Use screws to secure the rudder angle and the pressure plate. Tighten it. Also observe the length of the pull rod. Insert the wire into the servo armhole. Fix it with screws. The rudder angle lever with a flat tail. The foot pedal actuator for the vertical stabilizer is also installed. Apply glue to the antenna contact surface. And then insert it into the antenna slot. Glue the contact surface evenly. Install the fuselage in the right position. And stick it firmly. Turn the plane over. Apply glue to the air inlet decoration and slot. Put it in place and press it firmly. Apply glue to the dowel and the cockpit. Glue the dowel. Apply glue to the edges of the cockpit and the cover. And glue it firmly. Open the fairing. Take off the nut and washer. First, install the base of the fairing. The base should fit into the slot. Install the propeller. Check if the position of the propeller is correct. Then we install the gasket. Tighten the nut. Tighten the screws to fix it. Just stick it according to the instructions. The plane is installed here. Next, I'll demonstrate the wiring process using the MISR 66 receiver. First, open the cockpit. After we install the wings, we need to connect the wires to the fuselage. First, the light wires on both sides, and landing gear wires. This control unit, it's about controlling our landing gear and navigation lights. We insert the light wire extension in the accessory pack. Insert them into the control unit according to the polarity. It's inside the wing. 2 landing gear wires and 4 light wires. We connect the landing gear wires to the pin on the 3rd row. Then, the navigation light wires are connected to the extension cables for the lights. In this way, the landing gear wires and navigation lights wires are all connected to the control unit. Tidy up the wires a little bit. Then we start connecting the receiver. Channel 1 connects to the aileron line. The second channel to the lift line. The third channel is the throttle line. Fourth channel connects to the direction line. Channel 5 connects to the landing gear line. 6-channel flap wiring. All the wires are connected here. After connecting, use 3M glue to fix the receiver in the cockpit. Turn on the power. Press and hold the bind button for more than 2 seconds. The green light on the frequency indicates that the pairing is complete. Next, perform functional tests. Landing gear testing. Aileron testing. Horizontal tail testing. Vertical tail testing. Flap testing. Motor testing. Here, the assembly and wiring test of the entire aircraft is done.